rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another review, and today we got a special limited edition. It's a special request from one of my viewers. This one's directly from Japan, and as you guys know it, or you may not know, this watch was only released in Japan, and therefore it's very limited and difficult to come by. I've seen it for sale at different locations domestically, but you are gonna pay a hefty price for it. Module number 3159. Here's the manual directly from Japan. Once again, it was only released in Japan. And let's take a look at this puppy right here. It comes in the JDM box and the JDM little trunk case with the fox leather design. Here it is. The model number is the GWS5600 1JF. GWS5600-1JF. JF is for the Japanese market, which means that it's only released in Japan. A little fun fact about this watch: there was only 1,500 pieces released, produced of this watch worldwide. Released in June of 2010. End of June 2010, this is when this piece was released. It has some fun features, including solar power and multiband 6. And here it is. Very nice watch, guys. Move the pillow out there so I can show you guys a little better. Here it is. Now, some things about this watch still has the Japanese little tag on there, which lists some of the features. Remove that for a second. I don't speak or read Japanese, but I can tell you that it does say multiband 6 on there. All right, so put that to the side. And here's the watch itself. Now, there's something neat about this watch. It's not your standard multiband 6 watch. The cool thing about this watch is that it's got carbon fiber inlay bands. And I'll get you a better zoom, better close-up of these bands. They're stunning, guys. GWS5600 5600 is the base model with the extra design carbon fiber insert construction in the bands, which is visible from the front of this. Usually it's visible from the back. In this case, it's visible from the front of the watch. Now, another thing about this watch that makes it special is that it has a titanium back case. It has titanium case and titanium screws. With that being said, it does make the watch lighter and more comfortable on the wrist. Some of the features or functions on this watch is touch the mode. We have world time, alarm, 2, 3, and 4, snooze and signal. Also have stopwatch, timer, and back to your home time. By pushing this receiving button, you can see the last time this watch received the signal. It got the signal on February 7th at 12:04 a.m. Automatic EL has been is on. Received power save mode. Push the receive button again to exit the multiband 6 signal data information. Light button, check out this light on this puppy. Good, there you go. Nothing special there, just a nice green or blue, I want to say green, illuminescent light. Very bright, very nice. This watch is cool. It's got a positive display, which is very legible, easy to read, and not a problem there, no complaints. It is solar powered, as you can see around the bezel there. It's got that, oops, almost dropped my phone. Always dropping something on these videos. You can see the little honeycomb pattern around the edges there. That's your solar panel. The battery currently is holding a high charge. Alarm is on, signal, your snooze indicator on the bottom left there. the receive means that the signal was received recently. If that is not on, it means the signal has not been received. You could receive it manually or at night. Usually at night, you get a signal from one of the 6 towers. Tough solar, 20 bar water resistance, protection, G-Shock. Okay. Now, again, I'll do a zoom, a close-up of the band so you guys can see that. Shock resistant on the band, multi-band 6, tough solar, carbon fiber. All right, let's take a look at the close-up really quick, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about this watch. See if, in fact, this watch is lighter because of the titanium. And we're back. So there you guys have it, a good close-up of the bands. Very gorgeous. Very, like I said, they're translucent, so you can see inside of the bands. Glossy coated, but pretty cool. You can see inside and you can see the carbon fiber fibers within the band. So the bezel itself is also, yes, and I just dropped it because I always drop something. The bezel itself is also translucent, see-through, so you can see it's transparent. Here's a video of that. All right, so here we have a standard 5600. Now this is a special edition one, limited edition colorway, but it's still a standard GW5600, module 1545. And let's see how much this weighs. Here's the scale here for us to see. Currently zeroed out. 54 grams. 54 grams for the 5600. Now here is the multi-band 6, also the GWM5600, so still also a 5600 edition. It does have the 3063 module because it's multi-band 6, but it should be comparable, similar weight. So let's check that out. 50 grams. It should be 52. There you go, 52 grams. Try it again. 52 grams. So this is 52 and this is 54. The casing is a little bit different. You can tell on these two different models. This is circular. This is not so circular. It's got this little different cut there, which may have a difference in the weight. But now let's check out the GWM carbon fiber with titanium. See how much that weighs. 46 grams. That's a 6-gram difference because of the microfiber and the titanium. So 6 grams difference between the lighter 5600. I mean, that's significant. You can actually tell the difference in your hand. When you have it in your hand, it does feel lighter than the other watches. So there you guys have it. The beautiful, all exclusive, limited edition, only 1,500 pieces worldwide. The GWS5600 Carbon Fiber Insert Construction G-Shock watch. All right, until next time, please comment below. Tell me if you've seen this model, if you've ever heard of it, or is this your first time? Do you think carbon fiber makes a difference in terms of comfort? It is lighter, obviously. The weights don't lie. Is this something you would consider? Do you have this piece? They call this the lightest G-Shock made. So, I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it if you do. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a lot of content. Got a cool watch that just came in the mail. I'm going to leave that for my next video, though. I wanted to get this video out sooner. And with that, I'll see you guys soon. If you haven't checked out my Patreon page, please do so. Patreon page with a lot of cool tiers and a lot of stuff that I give back for you guys giving to me. Appreciate you guys who watch, subscribe, and like my videos and comment and interact with me. Till next time, I'm out of here. This is Chicago. Holla at your boy. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking